Welcome, my dear students in Prep 2. Today we will study how to determine the type of a triangle according to its angle if we know the side length. Okay, so our lesson today is about classifying triangles according to their angles. The type of a triangle determined by the type of the greatest angle. So if the greatest angle is an acute angle, then this triangle is an acute angle triangle. If the greatest angle is a right angle, then this triangle is a right angle triangle. And if the greatest angle is an obtuse angle, then the triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, what about if we have the side length? Here, for example, we have three types of triangles. And angle B is the greatest angle. So angle B determines the type of this triangle. In this triangle ABC, if AC power 2 equals AB power 2 plus BC power 2, do you remember this is Pythagoras theorem? So in this case, this triangle is a right angle triangle. AC is the longest side because B is the greatest angle. Okay, if AC, which is the greatest side, less than the summation of the squares of the two other sides, it means that AC power 2 less than AB power 2 plus BC power 2, then this triangle is an acute angle triangle. If the greatest side power 2, AC power 2, is greater than the summation of the squares of the two other sides, in this case, this triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. So if AC power 2 greater than AB power 2 plus BC power 2, in this case, this triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so we have three cases. If we know the length of the side, then we can determine the type of the triangle according to its angle. Let's take an exercise. Here, for example, in each of the following, determine the type of the triangle ABC according to its angle. Number one, I have AB, BC, and AC, so I have the length of the three sides. Okay, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 7 centimeters. Okay, let's begin. The first step is to get the greatest side power 2. What is the greatest side here? 7. So I'll get 7 power 2, which is 49. Then I'll get the summation of the squares of the other two sides. It means 5 power 2 plus 4 power 2. 5 power 2 equals 25 plus 4 power 2 equals 16. Then I have 41. The result is 41. Okay, let's compare now. Here, the greatest side power 2 is greater than the summation of the squares of these two sides. Then this is an obtuse angle triangle. By the same way, the second one, 5, 13, and 12. What is the greatest side? 13. So I'll calculate 13 power 2. 169. Then I'll calculate the summation of the squares of the other side. It means 12 power 2 plus 5 power 2. It will be also 169. So this triangle is, yes, excellent, a right angle triangle. The next one, the greatest side is 11. So I'll calculate 11 power 2. It will be 121. Then I'll calculate the summation of the squares of the other two sides. 9 power 2 plus 8 power 2. It will be 145. So we can notice that the greatest side power 2 is less than the summation of the squares of the other two sides. So this triangle is an acute angle triangle. The next one, we have 3, 5, and 4. 5 power 2 and 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. They are equal, so this triangle is a right angle triangle. The last one, what is the greatest side here? 13, so I'll calculate 13 power 2, 169. Then I'll calculate 17 power 2 plus 9 power 2, 7 power 2 plus 9 power 2 equals 130. So in this case, the greatest side power 2 is greater than the summation of the squares of the other two sides. So this triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so today we learned how to determine the type of the triangle according to its angle if we know the side length. Okay, I hope you have understand our session today. This lesson was the last lesson in geometry. Then we will revise the geometry and the algebra and solving some model exams. Thank you very much for watching. See you next session and goodbye.